Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Septiani. I'm from class D, and now I would like to review the paper with the title The Role of Critical Thinking in Developing Speaking Skill. So after I read all of definition critical thinking from the paper, I summarized that critical thinking is the deliberate process of analyzing, evaluating, and improving one thinking to make informed decision and solve problem. And it has a characteristic of the critical thinking. The first is asking question. So, critical thinking begins with curiosity and the habit of questioning to seek deeper understanding. And the second is defining a problem, clearly identifying and articulating the problem to understand its scope and context. And the third characteristic is examining evidence. We should evaluating data, fact, or information critically to determine their credibility and relevance. We can collect data from journal or article. And the next is analyzing assumption and bias. Identifying underlying assumption and personal or external bias that may influence reasoning, right? And the next is avoiding emotional reasoning. Answering the decision are based on logic and evidence rather than emotion or personal feeling. So we should uh, make decision based on logic and evidence. Don't make decision with our personal emotion. And the next is avoiding oversimplification, resisting the temptation to reduce complex issue into overly simplistic explanation. Yeah, we should give simple explanation to other. And the next is considering other interpretation. We can exploring alternative viewpoint or point of view or explanation to answer a well-rounded understanding. Yeah, we can, if we confuse, we can ask other people, we can ask friends to their opinion, their point of view. And the next is tolerating ambiguity. Accepting that not all problems have clear or immediate solution and being comfortable with the uncertainty. And critical thinking helps students to enhance language and presentation skills. Thinking clearly and systematically can improve the way they express their ideas and in our argument. Critical thinking also helps its student decide him or herself what is right or what is wrong. It has also helped them find out their own ways in thinking about the issue or topic. Critical thinking is art of generating ideas of the given issue. Critical thinking isn't about thinking more or thinking harder, it's about thinking better. Is the sentence on the paper. And there are some techniques which help students to develop critical thinking in speaking English. The first is education tasks, like watching short animated video, the BBC newscast, poster, documentaries, TED talk, YouTube video, dramas, and even educational clip on the internet or in different messengers programs. It can serve as authentic, real-world, and up-to-date educational content which can create unique, relevant, and fun lessons to immerse students in the learning. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.